Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to place a bet on Bet365. First, log into your Bet365 account. It's best to log in before you make your selections so that any customizations or odds you've set will apply. Then click the login button at the top right of the screen. Then enter your username and password and press login. Next, choose the sport you want to bet on. On the desktop, click the sports button at the top left of the menu to see all available sports. On mobile, the sports list will appear in a menu at the bottom or side. Pick a sport you know well to make it easier to place your bets. For example, use horsing racing. Once you click on the sport, you'll see the list of upcoming events. You can replace bets directly from this overview or click into a specific event for more options. Select the race you want to bet on by clicking the relevant race number. The race page will show a race card with horse numbers, silks, rider, trainer, weight, age, and form. To the right of each horse, you'll see the odds in yellow. This is the price the horse is trading at. To place your bet, click on the odds of the horse you want to back. This adds the selection to your bet slip. Here, you can choose to place an each-way bet if available. Enter your stack in the set stack box, and your potential winnings will be displayed automatically. Next, click place bet to confirm. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do so before the bet is placed. Once the event finishes, if your selections wins, your winnings will be added to your account. You can also place accumulator bets. These are bets where you combine multiple selections into one wager for bigger payouts. For example, to place a football accumulator, go to the football or soccer section in the menu. Then select a league like the Premier League, choose your matches and select the outcomes: home, away or draw. Each selection will appear on your bet slip. When you have all your selections, you'll see the option to place a treble with cumulative odds and any bonuses applied. Enter your stack and click place bet. Remember, each selection in accumulator must be on a separate game. You can also use other multiples options like doubles, trebles, or a Yankee bet. If you have more selections, to do this, make multiple selections across different games. Open your bet slip and click show more multiples at the bottom. Enter your stack per bet, and the slip will calculate your total stake and potential winnings. Click place bet to finalize everything. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.